In the sun-parched Sahara Desert, esprit de corps clashes with the venomous desert cobra, tested by the relentless heat and sparse resources. In the unforgiving Arctic plains, human tenacity challenges the treacherous polar bear, braving the icy wilderness to survive. Amidst the dense Amazonian jungles, courageous warriors defend against the formidable anaconda, their primitive weapons up against the terrifying beast. Among the Himalayas' rugged peaks, undaunted Sherpas grapple with the elusive snow leopard, their coexistence dictated by the harsh terrain. As humanity's final battle against the wild rages, the saga reaches its epic conclusion, symbolizing the enduring spirit and resilience of mankind.